Michael O with TSP Smart Spaces here. We are doing a site walkthrough today, and boy, what a walkthrough it is. I'm not going to walk you through 17 floors of 10 World Trade, but this is a Class A office building, 600,000 square feet of office and lab space, and it's in the Seaport in Boston. TSP Smart Spaces operating as a design consultant for the developer directly, helping to coordinate a lot of the technical aspects of this project, specifically around the IT network, smart building systems, AV systems, and working with all the different subcontractors and Suffolk, who's building this massive building. But it's going to be beautiful. It's a very unique design done by Sasaki, and we're really looking forward to taking a look around. So I'll show you inside. All right, we're starting on the second floor, overlooking the Great Hall. And then you can see a close-up of these arches, which is such a defining architectural feature of 10 World Trade. Going up to the third floor, we're going to look at the auditorium, which is a tenant amenity they'll be able to use, and then see some views. This is just on the third floor. Imagine when it's on the 17th. And then moving off to the other side, we're going to look overlooking the triangle parcel, which will have some great outdoor landscaping and be connected to the building. And finally, just look at what it's going to look like from underneath walking into this great hall. Incredible.